So I was out here stretching the other day, and I always see this guy walking by, and he stopped and said that he wouldn't be able to do the stretch that I was doing if his life depended on it. And I was telling him that you can if you practice. The stretch that I was doing is called the Pretzel stretch, which is an intermediate stretch. The muscles are like elastic bands, and as you stretch them, you develop the flexibility over time. If you're a beginner, you can start off by doing basic stretching, like the type of stretches that we did in PE class, where the PE instructor would have us do simple stretches like stretch out your arm, do cherry pickers to stretch out the hamstrings, grab your leg to stretch out your quadriceps. These stretches, and as you do these stretches, you'll be inspired to do more intermediate and advanced stretching. As you stretch, you will notice improvements within 2 weeks of stretching 6 to 7 days out of the week. And over a year, you will notice major improvements in range of motion and flexibility of consistently stretching. The gravitational pull of planet Earth is always pulling down on our skeletal frame, so it's ideal to have a daily stretch routine to realign your spine and to release the tension in your muscles.